Buyer activity fell 16.3% this report, but new purchase contracts were up 12.8% from last year, though off 4.5% from last report. It's Friday, October 24th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. It is taking 8 more days to go under contract this report, and the list price is off 7.3% year over year. Good for buyers, but sellers may have to adjust their expectations. Year to date, September home prices in Somerset County saw the greatest gain of 13% to $226,000. Dorchester County increased 6.9% to a median $277,999. Talbot County prices rose 5.5% to a median $515,000. Kent County saw a 5.1% increase to $350,000. Wicomico County prices rose 6.1%. Worcester County increased 2.4% to $424,950. Queen Anne's County is off 1.1% to $530,000. Carroll County prices fell 2% to $298,000. Cecil County dropped 2.1% to $357,450. Homes available for sale on the shore rose slightly to 2,300 at a median list price of $409,900. 112 homes will be coming to the market at a $399,000 median list price. 187 homes went under contract in 33 days at a median list price of $399,000. This is 35% more contracts than last week's report. Homes sold rose 42% to 142 units in 19 days at 97.2% at a median $404,000. Homes for lease rose again this week to 165 units at a median $2,200 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, October 24th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.